I'm super excited to share this unboxing video with you. It is the Jujubee Mini BFF bag in the Hello Rainbows print. This is a collaboration between Jujubee and Hello Kitty. And I have the Mini BFF, which is so incredibly hard to get. Hi, I'm Shen and welcome to Mama Banana, where I share mom hacks, tips as well as reviews on products that make organising more fun and beautiful. So today I have an unboxing video for you. So I'm going to go through the features of the Mini BFF with you, and then at the end I'm also going to wear the bag. If you would like to see a packing video for this, please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's jump straight into it. I am super excited with this because this is my very first Mini BFF. I tried to score this bag online while I was away in Spain, where it was released at 1 AM in the morning. So when I woke up at 3 AM to feed the baby, they were already sold out of Mini BFFs, and it was the only bag that I wanted in the Hello Rainbows print. So I'm very excited to see this. I had to go to the Buy, Sell and Trade Facebook page to score this and plead with the women to post it to Ireland. This is gorgeous. Here I have the two full Hello Kitties with the tulips, and what I really love about my print placement is that I don't have any broccoli and chicken feet. And then here at the back I have gorgeous print placement as well. So the dominant print is the Hello Kitty with the tulips and not the Hello Kitty with the broccoli and chicken feet. So one of the ladies in the community, the Jujubee community forums, mentioned that these look like broccoli and the trunks look like chicken feet, and that's all I can see now. So I'm really excited that this bag doesn't really have that. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. So on the front we have a little zip pocket, that's the mammy pocket. And oh, I love the yellow on the inside. It is so bright and happy. It's gorgeous. This is so cute. I absolutely adore this. And then in the main compartment, yeah, I just have an open section. Now I watched one of the Perpetual Mommies videos, and I seen when she brought out her Mini BFF in the Duchess print, the older ones, they have a mesh pocket on the inside, and I wish I hadn't seen that video because now I feel like I'm missing something. I would love this to have a bit of organisation on the inside. A mesh pocket would be perfect. But this opens nice and wide. There are gussets here to stop it flopping open. This is perfect. I can just picture wearing this on my waist now, and everything being very easy to access. I wish I had this on holidays. I've been so happy to wear this around Spain. And then there's a back pocket here, which I can tell will fit my iPhone. I can't demonstrate now because I'm using my iPhone to film this video. But this is so pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. So cute. Oh, there I have the chicken and broccoli feet. And I just want to ask what everyone else thinks. Do you think that this looks like Hello Kitty doing the splits? That's what I used to think for many years, that it was Hello Kitty doing the splits, but turns out this is Hello Kitty sitting down. That's her foot and that's her tail at the back here. But I always saw her as doing the splits when she was positioned like this. But this is such a gorgeous print. I absolutely adore this bag. And here is the strap for the bag. It's just a regular strap. It looks like the strap that you get for the Mini Helix. What I like as well with having some of these straps, I do have a Mini Helix and I have that in the Sakura Dusk print. But I think that might complement this as well because it's kind of a peachy pink colour. But I love this. It's so pretty. So let's take a look at the hardware here. So in the mammy pocket we just have a regular small black zip, and then for the main compartment we have the Hello Kitty tag. So when the bag is closed you see the black part, and then when it's open is where you see the white enamel part with the jewel on it. So I have the mini BFF here paired up with my Black Matrix Passipod, and it just looks so well together. Here I am wearing the bag, has a little waist pouch. This is how I plan to wear it while I am baby wearing. This will be my handbag here so that it's not in the way of my arm. And here it is, has a crossbody bag. I think I will be wearing it as a crossbody bag as well from time to time. And look at the cute little handle, it's just so small. So here I am wearing it just as a handbag. I don't think I will be using it as a handbag. This is more for a demonstration purpose. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like to see more video like this, then please hit the subscribe button below, and be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. So until the next video, thank you and goodbye.